Hello, taco lovers. If you're like my family, you probably still have a mountain of leftovers from Thanksgiving that are going to waste. That's why today I'm turning that turkey, mashed potatoes, green beans, casserole, corn, and stuffing into something delicious and good for your mental well being. Before I jump into that, please tap the like and subscribe, especially if you love food that makes life easier, happier, and more intentional. So here's the thing. The average American throws away over 30% of the food that they buy. And studies show that reducing food waste actually increases feelings of control, gratitude, and overall happiness. When you save food, you're lowering stress by cutting down on clutter, guilt, and that, what do I even cook today? Mental load. So today, we're using leftovers as a form of wellness. Mindful resourcefulness that helps your brain feel lighter. All right, let's build something comforting, simple, and zero waste friendly with our turkey, mashed potatoes, corn, green bean casserole, and stuffing. All right, let's give these a try. All right, this one is turkey, corn, looks like a little mashed potatoes and some green bean casserole in there. I think it would help if we had some gravy to wash it down with, or as a topping. This one here is turkey, corn, green bean casseroles, and stuffing. Some of you out there might prefer cranberry sauce on this. And turkey, green bean casserole, mashed potatoes. I may have to plan this better next time. The stuffing is just falling everywhere. Now, if you want to keep this low stress, low waste energy going, here are a few simple steps that you can start this week. 1. Do a use first box. Keep a small bin labeled use first in your fridge. Pop leftovers and aging produce in there, and so it's the first thing your eyes go to when you open the fridge. It cuts waste. And reduces what's for dinner anxiety. 2. Plan one zero waste meal a week. Okay? It doesn't have to be fancy. Just choose one meal where you challenge yourself to use whatever is already in the home. Studies show small habits like this dramatically reduce both waste and decision fatigue. And 3, repurpose, don't reheat. So if eating the same thing tires you, bores you, repurpose your ingredients instead of ignoring them. Okay, you can turn casseroles into patties, veggies into soups, turkey into rice bowls. Your brain loves novelty, okay, and it keeps waste down. Now, if this video made you feel a little more grounded and more grateful for what's already in your kitchen, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your favorite leftover transformation is. Have a great day.